everyone, today we'll show you how to can your homemade tomato sauce. You need about 2.5 kilos of tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, an onion, Italian herbs and a large pan. Cut the garlic and onion into pieces. Put some olive oil in the pan and add the cut up garlic and onion. Stir the onion and garlic until the onion looks glazy. Remove the crowns of the tomatoes and cut them into quarters. Put the cut up tomatoes in the pan with the garlic and onion. Add some Italian herbs. Using a pan in which you can read the volume of the contents makes it easier to see how much the sauce has boiled down. This sauce starts at a volume of a little less than 2 liters. Let the sauce boil quietly for a period of time. Don't forget to stir every now and then. Around 2 hours later, the sauce has boiled down to less than a liter. Now it's time to turn the fire off. Use a handheld blender to blend the sauce to a smooth substance. Fill the jars with the sauce. I use a sauce spoon for filling the jars because it fits through the opening of the jars. It's smart to wear oven gloves because the jars become hot when they fill up. Clean the top of the jar to make sure there's no sauce on the outside. Put the lid on the jar and make sure you look at the side as possible. Put the jar upside down on a dry tea towel. Let the jar stay upside down for a period of time, at least until it has completely cooled down. I usually leave them this way for the night and turn them up straight in the morning. If the vacuum has formed in the right way, the lid should stay as it is when you push the middle of it. When the lid gives when you push it and it comes back up when you remove the pressure, the vacuum didn't form well enough and you can store the sauce in the fridge for just about a week. If the vacuum has formed in the right way, the shelf life of the sauce is a year. You can use the sauce as a basis for example, pasta sauce, tomato soup or pizza sauce. Thanks for watching!